Lots of guys don't pay attention when their hair starts falling out early on and then end up looking like this. Hair loss must be taken seriously because let's be real, when you start noticing those thinning patches or a receding hairline, your confidence flies away and panic mode sets in immediately, which makes you a perfect target for those desperate companies that are selling you fairy tales in a bottle. Yeah, those fancy shampoos, oils, and grandma's remedies, they're about as useful as a chocolate teapot. So, how do you actually stop hair loss? Minoxidil, also known as Rogaine, is a solution that you can apply to your scalp twice daily to stimulate hair growth in areas affected by thinning or baldness. It has been approved by the FDA for home use and has been backed up by numerous studies that it actually works, so you don't have to worry about wasting your time and money. However, it is recommended to consult your doctor before using it just to ensure that it is safe and suitable for you. 2. Massage your scalp. It's really important to take care of your scalp for hair growth. Gently massage your scalp using your fingertips with light pressure, but please do not massage too hard. It's not a 1v1 competition against your scalp. It has to be done gently and with light pressure. This will boost blood circulation to your hair follicles, encouraging hair growth. 3. Harsh hair treatments. Avoid excessive heat styling, chemical treatments, and those goofy, tight hairstyles that can cause damage to your hair follicles. Try to go for gentle hair care products and minimize the use of styling tools that generate high heat. 4. Decent shampoo. Stop using those goofy shampoos, the ones that say 13 in 1. Like, take a look at this one. It says you can use it as a toothpaste and peanut butter.
What?
Give the anti-thinning shampoo a try. It can add volume to your hair and nourish its follicles with vitamins and amino acids to help promote your hair growth. If you're interested, I will leave the link to a shampoo that I personally use to stop my hair from thinning out. 5. Balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet with essential nutrients is the key for healthy hair growth. Include foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as biotin, zinc, and iron. These nutrients help nourish the hair follicles and make your hair grow faster. Remember,
You need to be patient as fuck.
while trying to stop hair loss, results may take time, and not all treatments work for everyone. But if you followed these tips, it will slow down your hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel to keep up with the upcoming tips. By the way, here are some videos that you might find helpful as well. Peace out.